handy dandy lever.
Okay.
You pull this back, and see this little piece here. This is the end of the tire.
Mm-hmm.
So you push that over like that. So it's on the, this is on the outside of the tire,
Mm-hmm.
or on the outside of the rim.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to slide it all the way around. And it's taking the tire off.
Okay.
But you don't want to take the whole tire off,
Why?
because there's no need.
Okay.
You can if you want to, but there's no need.
Okay.
So, so you don't rip the valve off. You put that over there.
Where was that located?
It was
Okay.
slid right up there. First you pull back the tire,
Okay.
pull the valve out like that,
Mm-hmm.
and then you carefully take the tube out.
Looks easy.
Yep, it's very easy.
Okay. But how about getting it back in?
So, well, what you want to know is, why'd I get a flat? Because
Okay.
you just don't take it out, put a new tube in, and then once you blow it up again, if there's like a thorn or something in there,
Right.
it'll make another hole, and you're going to be
Okay.
calling somebody for a ride.
Okay.
So you blow it up. You can blow it up with your mouth, or you can use the CO2 inflator. Just a little bit of air, just to. You can blow it up, and then you can listen and see where the hole is.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm keeping this tube oriented the same way as the wheel is. So if there's a hole here, I know
Oh,
that there's
right.
something over here
Okay.
that's I need to take out.
Okay.
So let's say it's over here.
Okay.
So I put my finger in there
Mm-hmm.
because I got rough fingers.
Mm-hmm.
If it's like a shard of metal or glass or something, it might prick you.
Mm-hmm.
So some people take nylon socks or something like that, and they take a nylon and they just run
Okay.
it, and then it'll get caught. And they're like, oh, yeah, there's the piece.
Okay.
So you just feel around. If you can't feel anything, you just go all the way around, feel around, make sure there's nothing in there. And so you found something there's in there, it's just the opposite. So you take your valve, shove it in there, and then just stuff it in the tire. Like that. And then I start from the top, and I start pushing this side of the tire back where it was. And make sure this goes up in there. I'll just go around and get it. Now, a lot of people just like they don't take care in doing this part,
Yeah.
and it pinches the inner tube, and you get another hole.
Like
So what
where
you wanna
would a
do-
pinch be?
See, there's a tube right here. See the tube here?
Oh yeah.
It's in between the
Yeah.
rim and the tire.
Sounds like a hard
So,
part.
so you don't want to get that stuck. So you shove it up in there as much as you can,
Okay.
and then
So it's not coming out the other side because the other side's in there already.
yep, and you just roll it up on the tire. Boom.
Okay.
And make sure it's not. Make sure you don't see the inner tube
In between
coming out.
the rim and the
Yep.
rubber.
So the tube is inside the tire,
Okay.
and then now you can blow it up. So take it and push,
Yep.
and it'll automatically inflate. And you just let it inflate fully.
Okay.
I got it underneath here. Put the chain right there. Slide this derailleur back. and then just drop it in.
Catch up with him. I think Gordon's brother's got high.
Okay.